All right, so if you're using Binance, keeping your account secure is just as important as trading itself. Yeah, I'll show you the key steps to protect your account properly. First, make sure your password is strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And don't reuse passwords from other sites. Next, turn on two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security every time you log in. Now set an anti-phishing code. This helps you identify real Binance emails and avoid fake ones. Check your logged in devices regularly. If you see anything suspicious, remove it immediately. You can also enable a withdrawal whitelist, so funds can only be sent to trusted wallet addresses. Be careful with emails or messages asking for login details. Always double check the official Binance website before logging in. And yeah, keep your email and phone number updated so you can recover your account if needed. And that's how you secure your Binance account. A few simple steps can protect you from big losses. So yeah, take security seriously.